Happy Scrubmas day 15. I can't believe it's already day 15. Honestly, I cannot wait for Scrubmas to be over. I am so over it, but it's okay. We're gonna keep going. Let's see what we have in the stocking. Ta-da! Okay, this scrub, it's really different than a lot of the scrubs I've ever made. It's essentially a lotion with exfoliating beads in it. I wanted it to be really creamy. So this is what I came up with, and I really like it. I think it's really unique, and I put bursting beads in it. So when you do add water in it, the beads will burst. Let's get into it. I think you guys are gonna like this. All right, guys, this is super easy. You just need to make sure you have a sanitized container. It doesn't need to be heat safe. Don't worry about that. Go ahead and add in your distilled water. Then add in a humectant of choice. I'm using glycerin, propanediol, propylene glycol. Either of those would work. And then I'm gonna add in the preservative. I'm using liquid germall plus. You can use any broad spectrum water soluble preservative of choice and just make sure everything is well combined. Then I'm gonna add in some sunflower oil. You can use whatever light oil of choice you would like. Then after that, we are adding in the Gel Maker NAT or NAT. I always just call it Gel Maker NAT. I don't know. Or should I say Gel Maker NAT? You let me know. But just add that in, and as you can see, we just have everything mixed together in one container. We're gonna grab an immersion blender or any kind of like high shear mixer would work. And we're just going to mix it all together, and you immediately get a lotion. Gel Maker is actually used to make cold process lotions, like gel moisturizers. But in this case, I want to make a scrub with it because I just want like a creamy, moisturizing, gentle face scrub. Make something like very, very different. You know what I mean? And yeah, that is it. It's basically just like a lotion base using Gel Maker NAT. So really any instant cold process emulsifier could work. Or you can make just like a lotion traditionally with like emulsifying wax or something. And then go ahead and add in these last ingredients I'm going to add in, which is jojoba pearls. I'm using white jojoba pearls, and then bursting beads. These are pink bursting beads I got from Brambleberry. So when you like have them come in contact with water and massage them in your face, they like burst. And yeah, I thought it would be like unique to add to this. And yeah, I don't really know 100% what I think about the scrub. Actually, I haven't even tried it yet. I need to try this scrub, but I keep forgetting it at the lab and I keep forgetting to bring it home. But I know on my hands it felt really cool and I really liked it. But yeah, I'm anxious to try it. I'm anxious to know what you guys think about it. You will need to pour it into a piping bag to get it into a bottle because it is pretty thick. And I recommend having it in a bottle instead of a jar so you're not getting like water in it, because you want to just squeeze it onto your hand, you know, after you've gotten your face moist. You want to make sure your face is pretty moist when you use it, and then massage it into your skin. So don't put it in a jar. Don't get water in it because yeah, we don't want nasties growing in our products. And yeah, that is it for today's formula. Let me know what you think. The formula will be down below in the description box, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Also, don't forget to go over and check out my Patreon, where I post 2 exclusive videos every single month. So there is a ton of videos you can go over there and binge watch. For only $5 a month, you get access to the entire backlog. And for $10 a month, you can get a shout out for your small business. So let's shout everybody out. Nature's Farm Girl, Let's Blend LLC.com, Stardust Bath and Body over on Instagram, hempygirl.com, shoplevis.com, Owl and Lily over on Etsy, embracebeautyessentials.com, Legendary Bath and Body, Astari Apothecary, Revega Cosmetics here on YouTube, exorebb.com, Pardo Naturals, Natural State Skin, thenatureinus.ca, nearcatelier.com. You can use the code on the screen for 20% off, earthandambernaturals.com, Shark City Naturals, and daytorelaxproducts.com. And the rest of these companies are launching soon: skinbydavu.com, 7th House in Oak over on Etsy, at Black Petal Beauty on Instagram, mycrowningglowery.com. Thank you guys so much for your support. Literally, without you guys on the Patreon, I wouldn't be able to continue doing what I do. So thank you so much.